Welcome to an essential and in-depth discussion on mobile build configuration leakage, a critical security vulnerability that is often overlooked by developers despite its severe implications for app security. Mobile applications rely on various build configurations, which carefully dictate how the app is compiled, optimized, and packaged for different environments such as development, testing, and production. These configurations manage everything from API endpoints and database connections to logging levels, security features, feature flags, and environment-specific variables. While crucial for development processes, debug builds, in particular, pose significant risks if inadvertently released to users or left exposed in distribution channels. Debug builds are specifically designed with extensive logging capabilities, debugging tools fully enabled, and often less stringent security measures to greatly aid developers during troubleshooting and testing phases. This configuration can lead to the leakage of sensitive data and debug artifacts, providing attackers with a treasure trove of valuable information to exploit. Attackers can exploit these leaks to uncover hard-coded API keys, authentication tokens, encryption keys, and even detailed internal network configurations that should remain hidden. They might find database credentials, server IP addresses, AWS endpoints, and intricate details about backend infrastructure, all exposed through verbose logging outputs in the app. Furthermore, debug artifacts like source code snippets, detailed stack traces, unobfuscated JavaScript bundles, and symbol tables can reveal core application logic and potential vulnerabilities for exploitation. This detailed insight allows malicious actors to craft highly targeted attacks, bypass security controls effectively, and ultimately compromise sensitive user data on a large scale. In contrast, release builds are meticulously optimized for both performance and security, stripping out all debugging information and implementing robust protections from the ground up. They typically include advanced code obfuscation techniques, data encryption at rest and in transit, and minimized logging, making it significantly harder for attackers to reverse engineer the application logic. The critical distinction lies in their intended use. Debug builds are strictly for development and testing environments, while release builds are essential for secure production deployment. Deploying a debug build to production is a grave and avoidable error that can expose your entire system, users, and data to unnecessary and severe risks. Always ensure that your production releases are built using the secure release configuration to safeguard against these common pitfalls. Regularly audit your build processes, CI/CD pipelines, and configurations to prevent accidental leakage and maintain high security standards. By thoroughly understanding and proactively mitigating these risks, you can significantly enhance the overall security posture of your mobile applications. Protect your users, your reputation, and your infrastructure by prioritizing secure build practices from initial development all the way through to final deployment.